Welcome, everyone. This is the 7th part of our fall trip to North Carolina. Today, we're excited to take you on a breathtaking journey through the Blue Ridge Parkway, Price Lake, and Blowing Rock. This 469-mile route is one of the most scenic drives in the United States, running along the spine of the Blue Ridge Mountains in Virginia and North Carolina. It connects Shenandoah National Park with Great Smoky Mountains National Park, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The speed limit on the parkway is just 45 miles per hour for most of the route, allowing you to take your time and soak in the beauty of the nature. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. We are at Price Lake now, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Julian Price Memorial Park. This 47-acre lake is a popular destination for hiking, fishing, and canoeing. There are plenty of hiking trails around the lake that offer stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Now we are arriving at Blowing Rock, a charming mountain town nestled in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains. This picturesque town is known for its stunning natural beauty, outdoor recreation, and rich history. Blowing Rock Attraction is a natural rock formation that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Legend has it that the rock walls create a wind with such force that lightweight objects thrown over the gorge can be returned to you. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to visit the attraction, but we did manage to capture some beautiful pictures that we'd love to share with you. Thanks for joining us on this drive-through of the Blue Ridge Parkway and Blowing Rock. We hope you enjoyed the ride. Thank you and see you soon.